right, so I got the handlebars in, and I'm really liking how they are. The only thing I don't enjoy is they're a hair narrow. And from the looks of it, I'm not going to even have to lengthen or modify any of this stuff. The brake line is just long enough, and it's at full suspension drip right now, so it should be pretty good once we put a load on it. So gonna make sure the clutch cable's good, but it looks like it's gonna be okay. And then when I wire up the controls, it should be pretty all right. So I think everything, all in all, should line up, should work well. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. Made enough boring videos recently. So after going through the very small stash of motorcycle parts I found the seat, and right there is the bolt mount for the gas tank. And I think with this adjustable plate, I could drill it, mount it, and these springs, when set just right, sit right on top of that bar. So it should remain relatively centered, and it shouldn't be interfering anywhere near the battery. I'm gonna have to get a new battery for it too, but I think all in all, this will be a pretty straightforward endeavor. All right, so now the theory is sweet. Doing it all loosely because I still gotta do the battery and stuff. And it needs to go like so. So then I can tighten it down, and that will be the new seat. So that's about what they're gonna look like with, I'm gonna get different grips, I think. I might stick with these ones, but I'm not 100%. From the looks of it, I'm not gonna have to adjust anything. I think the wiring's long enough. I think the brake cable's long enough. I think the clutch cable's long enough. So I think we're looking pretty good there. All right, well, now we do have the seat on and the bars, so we can knock those off the list. I do have another fender already for it. It's just standard trailer fender, but it should work pretty well for doing the bobber rear fender on it. So that'll be a future video. I do have the carb rebuild kit, so that'll be another video. Got the new air filters too. I also have the taillight and plate mount, the vertical. But yeah, I'm a regular dude, so it takes me a minute to get the money, get the parts,